Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the SDK for Uniswap pool fees. Uniswap is a popular decentralized exchange protocol that enables users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. The Uniswap SDK provides a set of tools and APIs that allow developers to interact with the Uniswap protocol and access its features. To get started with using the Uniswap SDK for pool fees, you need to have a basic understanding of the Uniswap protocol and its underlying mechanics. The Uniswap protocol consists of a network of liquidity pools, each of which is dedicated to a specific trading pair. When a user trades on Uniswap, they are essentially interacting with one of these liquidity pools. The first step in using the Uniswap SDK for pool fees is to set up a new project and install the necessary dependencies. You can do this by running the command to install the Uniswap SDK package. Once you have installed the package, you can import it into your project and start using its functions. One of the key concepts in the Uniswap SDK is the idea of a pool fee. A pool fee is a percentage of the trading fees that are collected by the liquidity providers in a given pool. The pool fee is used to incentivize liquidity providers to add liquidity to the pool and to compensate them for the risks they take on. To access the pool fees using the Uniswap SDK, you need to use the Get Pool Fees function. This function takes the address of the pool as an argument and returns the current pool fee. You can use this function to retrieve the pool fee for a specific pool and then use it to calculate the trading fees for a given trade. In addition to accessing the pool fees, the Uniswap SDK also provides functions for calculating the trading fees and the amount of liquidity in a given pool. These functions can be used to build more complex applications that interact with the Uniswap protocol. When using the Uniswap SDK, it is essential to follow best practices to ensure that your application is secure and reliable. One of the most critical best practices is to handle errors and exceptions properly. The Uniswap SDK provides a set of error codes and exceptions that you can use to handle errors in your application. In conclusion, using the Uniswap SDK for pool fees is a straightforward process that requires a basic understanding of the Uniswap protocol and its underlying mechanics. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using the Uniswap SDK functions, you can build applications that interact with the Uniswap protocol and access its features. Remember to follow best practices and handle errors and exceptions properly to ensure that your application is secure and reliable. With the Uniswap SDK, you can unlock the full potential of the Uniswap protocol and build innovative decentralized applications.